Hi, my name is Osi Ejiofor. I'm a teacher. I'm going to be going through a video tutorial on how to use Adobe Spock Video. Okay, so when you load up a blank template, you can choose to name your project whatever you like. So I'm just going to name this Merchant of Venice Work and then click Next. I'm going to start from scratch, so I'll click this button here. Now I can see that I have my logo here at the bottom. I do not want to show stamps, so I'm going to take that off. The way that Adobe Spock Video works is you have a number of slides that will align themselves along the bottom. So it's slightly different from other video editing formats. You don't have a timeline in the traditional sense where you would have layers of video and audio. You have slides, and in each slide you can add a video, or you can add an image, you can overlay text, and you can also record your voice, and you can also add music in the background. If you would like to see the whole project, you would press play here. If you would like to see the content of your slide, if it's a video, you can press play here. You'd see the length of your slide here, and you've got options here for viewing in full screen. The options here at the top, you have layout, which shows you how your slide is going to be set out as a full screen, as a split screen. You can have a caption, you can have text and title. So again, I can add a video to the whole slide, and it would allow me to add a title as well as a subtitle. I'm going to stick with the full screen option for now. You also have theme options. The theme dictates the style of font as well as the style of transition that you'll have. Next, we have options to resize, so we can have our slide set out in widescreen or as a square shape. Lastly, the other option is music. You can choose to have the music on or off. Once you've got the music on, you can choose to set the music volume. You can add music from your own personal library, or you could choose from the different options that come with Spock Video. Okay, so now we're going to add a photo, and we are going to see that we have several options here, either to upload a photo, find free photos, use your Adobe Stock, Creative Cloud, Lightroom, connect to Dropbox, Google Photos, or Google Drive options. I'm going to upload a photo, and on my desktop I have a folder with all the files that I need for my project in there. I'm going to choose this image here, and I'm going to click open, and now I'm going to add the text here. And as you can see, the font is linked with the theme that I've selected. If I just change the theme, you can see the font here is very similar to this, but if I choose title, that would be quite different. You'll see it load up. Now you can see the font has changed. If you're not happy with the font that you have, then you can go to theme and choose a different one. And now I'm going to add another slide. So to do that, I will just click on the plus icon here to add another slide. And again, it gives me the options of adding a video, text, photo, or icon. I am now going to add a video, and I'm going to select this one here and click open. So now that I've selected my video, it has automatically selected 3 seconds worth of my clip. Now I can make that longer, and I'm going to stretch this as far as it goes, and the longest that will go is 30 seconds. Okay, I'm happy with that, so I'm going to click save, and this will now save my video clip and add it to the other slides that I have. Okay, good. So now that it's added my clip, you can see now that I have the option of pressing the plus to add a new slide. I'm going to select video again and click the video, and then click open. As we said before, it was 29.3 where the previous clip stopped, so 29.3 is right there, and I'm going to stretch this a bit further. I could also press continue clip, and that is another way of adding the next clip along. Just click continue clip, and it adds another section on, and it literally starts it from exactly where it ended and allows you to take it from there. Hover over this clip, and you should see a pencil appear in the top right corner, which then allows me to edit my clip. I can either zoom in, make some adjustments to the clip that has been added. I can trim it on either end. Last option is the sound. Now you can see by default it is on soft. We're going to put it back onto loud. That way when I play it against the music, you should be able to hear my voice more clearly. So the volumes are all lined up for this one. I'm going to do the same for this clip. What I'm going to do is insert some pictures. Now I have added this image here. We can't see him fully, so what I would like to do is move him around. So I'm going to click on the pencil and I'm going to just drag the image down there, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit. There's no harm in seeing the white edges there, just so that we can see a bit more of the body. And I am going to reposition this. This is edited as slide number 5. I'm going to interrupt my speech to add a picture of the Prince of Morocco. And that picture is only 2 seconds long. It's just a small break in between what I was saying. So I'm going to speed up the footage here, and you can see that I'm adding in more images and repositioning them as I see fit. So the process is the same. For every image that you add, you can reposition it, zoom in on it, and make it look the way that you'd like. So I have these images here. Now I can add some audio to the clip. So we have the golden casket here. So for dramatic purposes only, I'm going to say the golden casket. So to do that, I'm going to press and hold the microphone button. Again, this is just for demonstration purposes. I wouldn't necessarily add this onto the final one, but hey, let's have some fun with this. The golden casket. I can remove narration by clicking here. Wonderful. Let's do the same again here. So we'll just repeat the same process for the other clips. Okay, so now that we've completed the project, let's have a look and see how it all fits together. I think I'm happy with that. So the next thing to do is to simply share this video clip with the class. So I can do that by clicking publish. I could also invite others to edit it. Once I've clicked publish, Merchant Venice work, pick a category. I could pick education, subtitle, author is me. And then I could create a link to it. The other thing that you can do is download it, of course. So I could invite somebody to work on it as well. I could download it, I could share it, and I could preview, which is the same as pressing that. Once I've clicked download, it is preparing my video. Wonderful, you can see it now. It is downloading the MP4 file. And once it is downloaded to my computer, I can then share it in any way that I like. And that has been how to use Adobe Spock Video.
Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Click the link in the description below to explore more free online professional development on the Adobe Education Exchange. And click the link on screen to subscribe to the channel for more videos.